Most people think GoHighLevel only gives a 14-day free trial, but that's not true. You can actually get 30 days free, so watch till the end. Let's start. Instead of the normal 14-day trial, there's a special bootcamp link that gives you 30 days free. And the best part? You also get training included, so you're not just testing the tool blindly. To get the 30-day free trial, use the link in the description. That will take you to the GoHighLevel Bootcamp page. Once you sign up from there, you will get full access without any limitations. Here's why this bootcamp is better. First, live coaching. Join Zoom sessions with a coach every weekday at 11 a.m. Central Time. Second, hands-on setup. You set things up step by step. Third, quick systems like SMS, missed call reply, social media, and reviews. And fourth, free bonuses, playbooks, snapshots, and funnel templates, all ready to use. All of this is free, so you're not just testing, you're learning how to make money. If you want the 30-day free trial, check the link in the description. Try it, learn it, and use it properly. If this helped you, please like this video. It really helps the channel. I will share more simple tutorials, so subscribe.